Welcome back to RS Academy. This is Ravi Shankar, Chemistry. In this session onwards, we are going to discuss fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds. It's a very important chapter. So, my dear students, get ready. Take a note of each and every point what I will be writing on the board. So, let us start fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. So let us discuss how many topics are there in fourth chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. Let me write all the topics names on the board. So later on let us discuss one by one. So please make a note all the points along with me. So in this chapter we are going to discuss different kinds of topics, a very important topic. The first one is about carbon. Make a note of it. About carbon. About carbon. About carbon. Second one is Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure of elements. Third one is covalent bond. Covalent bond. Fourth one will be versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature of carbon. Next, fifth one, allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. Please make a note of these five topics. Right. Next, sixth topic will be organic compounds. Organic compounds. Seventh topic, hydrocarbons. Eighth topic, nomenclature. Nomenclature of carbon compounds or hydrocarbons. Ninth one, isomerism. 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 Tenth one, chemical properties of carbon compounds. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Next, please copy these all. Next, some important carbon compounds. 11th topic will be some important carbon some important carbon compounds. In this case, we are going to discuss that is ethyl alcohol, and acetic acid. Ethyl alcohol and acetic acid. So these important concept we are going to discuss. In case of some important carbon compounds, we are going to discuss ethyl alcohol in detail, acetic acid in detail. Next one, 12th topic, soaps and detergents. Detergent, soaps and detergents. So these are the topics consisted by chapter 4, carbon and its compound. So chapter 4, carbon and its compounds, I have decided into 12 topics, very important topics. According to topic wise, I am going to upload the videos. So don't miss any video, don't skip the video. So till end of the video, please watch and make a beautiful note of each and every point. Then only you will get clear picture regarding to carbon and its compound. You must have know that carbon and its compound is a very important chapter in case of class 10 chemistry for state or CBSE as well. So please make a note all the important points and very creative points and important points. They help for your good result in the examination. So get ready students. So let us start this video or this class with topic number 1, that is about carbon. So if you want to learn carbon's compounds in detail, we have to know few words regarding to carbon, because of if you consider carbon and its compound as a movie, as a film, carbon will be considered as hero of the movie. So if you want to watch any movie, first of all we have to know who is the hero of or introduction of the hero. So in a similar way, if you want to understand carbon compounds in detail, we must have no introduction regarding to hero of that movie, that is carbon, because of carbon is the hero of carbon and its compounds. The story of carbon compounds revolves around the carbon. So that's why we need to know what is the carbon, what is meant by carbon, what is the history or mystery of the carbon. So get ready, put ready about carbon. About carbon. Carbon is an element. Carbon is an element. Very simple point. So among 118 elements, carbon is one of the elements. Carbon is element. Next one, it's a non-metal, especially available in solid state. Solid non-metal. Solid non-metal. The word carbon derived from the Latin word carbo, which means coal. That means carbon is the main constituent of coal. That's why the name carbon derived from the Latin word of carbo, that means coal. Next one. Carbon is available in the form of carbon dioxide and environment in 0.03% in the form of carbon dioxide. The form of carbon dioxide. Next one, in earth crust, it is available in the form in 0.02% in the form of minerals, that is metal carbonates, metal bicarbonates, petrol, diesel, kerosene, like that. Petrol in the form of petroleum, especially, right? Next, carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12. That means Each carbon atom consists of 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Make a note of it. Next point, electronic configuration of carbon. Electronic configuration of carbon. Atomic number 6 carbon. So you must have know that what is meant by electronic configuration. Yes, you're right. The distribution of electrons in various shells of an atom is called electronic configuration. That means particular how many electrons are there in the particular atom. For each shell, how many electrons are how they are distributed in the various shells of an atom. So that is called electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the distribution of electrons in various shells of an atom is called electronic configuration. I said in last sessions how to write electronic configuration. So please go through that videos, then you will get clear picture regarding to electronic configuration. But here I would like to give 3 points how to write electronic configuration. Please make a note of it. To write electronic configuration, we require 3 points. Point number 1, atomic number, that is Z, atomic number. Point number 2, capacity of the subcells, S with 2 electrons, P with 6 electrons, D with 10 electrons, F with 14 electrons. Point number 3, order of the orbitals. So I said order, let me write here. Please make a note of it. I said star star, power star, daring power star, dashing power star, full daring power star, full dashing power star. This is a key to remember order of the orbitals. S orbital or subshell started with first shell onwards, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. P started with 2 onwards, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. D started with 3 onwards, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. F started with 4th shell onwards, 4F and 5F. So please make a note of it. Right. So order of orbitals. Order of orbitals. Point number 1, atomic number you have to know. Point number 2, capacity of the each subshell. S 2 electrons, P 6 electrons, D 10 electrons, F 14 electrons. The order of the orbitals. So please remember this order. Right. Now let us write electronic configuration of carbon. So atomic number you have to know, that is atomic number is 6 according to carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. That means each carbon atom consists of 6 electrons or 6 protons. We required electrons to distribute in various shells of an atom. Carbon atomic number 6. That means each carbon atom contains 6 electrons. Now let us distribute electrons of carbon in the orbitals according to their capacity. First we need to fill 1s orbital. So 1s2. Next one 2s2, 2p2. Only 6 electrons. So electronic configuration of carbon will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Is it clear to you? Right. Now, how many shells are there in a carbon atom? Listen to me, this is electronic configuration of carbon. The one means first shell, 2s, 2p2 means second shell. That means each carbon consists of Two shells. Let us use the nucleus of carbon. It consists of two shells. First shell with 2 electrons, second shell with 4 electrons. The valence electrons of carbon is 4. That means valence electron means number of electrons present in outermost shell of an atom. So outermost shells, two shells are there. Second shell will be outermost shell. How many electrons? 4 electrons are there. 4 electrons. These are called valency electrons. Valency electrons. Valency electron means number of electrons present in outermost shell of an atom. So what is the valency of carbon? Please make a note of it. Valency means combining capacity of carbon. Carbon always give 4 bonds with neighboring. Tetravalent in nature. So because of, if the element has 4 or less than 4 valence electrons, so it is equal to its valency. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so that's why carbon valency will be 4. The valency of carbon is 4. That means tetravalent in nature. Tetravalent in nature. That means it's ready to give 4 bonds with neighboring. So this is a few words regarding to carbon. Please try to understand and make this note all these points. Right. Next question. You will get the question in the examination like this. What would be the product of burning of carbon compounds? The product of burning of carbon compound is carbon dioxide. If you take any carbon related substances, if they undergoes combustion, they are ready to produce carbon dioxide. If you take paper, if you take petrol, diesel, kerosene, whatever it is, these all are made up of carbon and its compounds. So when carbon or the related compounds undergoes combustion, the main product you will get, that is carbon dioxide. That's a very important question. What would be the product of combustion or burning of carbon or its compounds? That is carbon dioxide. So how will you confirm that? With the help of one test, we will understand. Right, I will show that. Are you getting my dears what I'm saying? Are you following? Right, good. Now, please look into screen, all of you. So please make a beautiful note of each and every point. Now, what is the product of combustion of carbon or carbon related compounds? The answer will be carbon dioxide. How will you confirm that? With the help of lime water test. Please make a note of it. With the help of lime water test. Lime water. What is lime water? Aqueous solution of slaked lime, calcium hydroxide or slaked lime is called lime water. Right? When carbon dioxide passes through the lime water, colorless lime water becomes white, milky white. The formation of calcium carbonate taking place. White precipitate of calcium carbonate along with water. So based on this test, we will confirm that carbon compounds or carbon related compounds will produce carbon dioxide on combustion. When carbon dioxide passes through the lime water, colorless lime water becomes milky white. So milky white precipitate is nothing but calcium carbonate. Based on lime water test, this is called lime water test. Based on lime water test, we will come to know what would be the product of combustion of or burning of carbon or carbon related compounds. Right? So this is a few words regarding to the hero of carbon and its compound chapter, that is carbon. So please revise these all the points, make a note of all these points. And next video, let us have a talk Lewis dot structures or electron dot structures. Thank you. Have a nice day.